Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free NFTs, and how you can actually mint these free NFTs, especially on the blockchain, on the Solana blockchain. So make sure to stick to the end because at the end of this video is where I'm going to reveal how you can actually find. I'm going to give information on how to find these NFTs. Okay, so if you don't watch all the way to the end, you're gonna miss that. So you don't want to miss this. So let's get started, guys. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel Citrus Enterprises. I'm Dima. If you're new here, welcome. If you're here before, welcome back. In this channel I'll teach you pretty much about investing, trading, marketing, e-commerce, and a lot when it comes to making money online. So if this kind of content is what entices you, make sure to smash the subscribe button and enable notifications so you get alerted whenever I drop some content like this. Also drop a like at the end of the video if you got value from it. It helps the channel a lot. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Now I have a video, I've made a video on how to get started with NFTs. I showed how to set up your wallet, how to how to buy and sell, all those stuffs. So this you really need to watch that video before watching this one. So I really recommend you go over. If you haven't watched it, go over and watch the video, and then maybe you can come back to this. Okay, so I'm going to leave the card to that video. So you're going to see it appear somewhere on this video. Okay, so you can go and watch it. Very important, guys. So let's continue. So like I said, I'm going to leave the part where I explain how you can get these NFTs for free. Okay, I'm going to leave information on that at the end of this video. Okay, so I'm going to skip that part and go straight ahead to what minting NFTs look like. Okay, so make sure to stick to the end for the the most important part. Okay, so now I'm going to use an example here. Okay, as of today shooting this video, is unfortunate that we don't have any free NFTs and I'm not minting NFTs as of now. Okay, so but of these NFTs I minted some days back, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. So, and it's perfect for this example. So I just want to show you guys how this is done. Okay, so now, by the way, what does minting NFT means? It actually means like the name implies, minting some for the very first time when an NFT project is about to be released. Okay, so minting involves creating those NFTs on the blockchain, making them available on the blockchain. Okay, so usually it comes at a very little fee. Okay, so it's like the ICO. Okay, so it's just like in cryptocurrency where you have ICO in the initial coin offering. So you can take this as an ICO for NFTs. Okay, where people mint the NFTs for a little fee, and then they can the price can is expected to shoot from there. That's if it's a good project. For some bad projects it can go down, but in most cases the price goes up from there. Okay, so that's it. So the idea is, okay, the whole force of NFTs is because traders, like I said, expect the price to keep going up from there. Okay, so it's believed for the most part that anybody that gets an NFT that mints it, that is among the people that mint the NFT, must have probably gotten it at the lowest price. But that's the belief. But in some cases it's not. That the NFT, the price can go and then shoot even below mint. Okay, so that's it. So now we have the explanation of minting. Now you know why it's actually the whole force of minting is out there. Okay, so it's very important that you get your hands on these projects. Why right from the start, when they are launched. In fact, you're like the very first. Imagine being the very first person at the party. Okay, so that's basically the idea. So that's why everybody is trying to be part of the project at the very start. That's the very first people that brought that NFT in the blockchain in the first place. So, and there's also something called a whitelist. A whitelist, I just want to explain these terms because you'll be seeing them being thrown around. Now, the whitelist is like like a list of people, okay, that are actually reserved, that have like these NFTs reserved for them, or some basic benefits for minting. Okay, let's say an NFT we have like 1000 is a limited it has a limited amount. Okay, let's say 1,000 of those NFTs are to be minted on, let's say today. Okay, so I can leave a whitelist to, let's say 100. Okay, 100 people. Okay, so I'm going to say, okay, these are, the whitelists are going to contain 100 people, and these 100 people are those that, they are going to, these NFTs are reserved for them. Is either I reserve, the NFTs for them, or they are going to be the first to mint it before others. Okay, so in other words, it means that these people will get, this, they are going to be like the first among the first. Okay, let me put it that way. Okay, so that's what the whitelist means. So that list, they are going to get the NFTs maybe before others, or at a special discount. Okay, but our purpose here is actually, the point of this video is to discuss free NFTs. Okay, so but then, so you also need to understand that that most of these free NFTs, they are not actually, nothing good comes easy. So most of them free, listen, are, you can't compare them with most good projects, but there are also a lot of good projects, that are out there as free NFTs, that are being minted free. Because this whole NFT game is not like your cryptocurrency. This is all hype. Okay, maybe let's say the artist now, he, when launching his project, he didn't even believe in his project, so he might say, okay, I'm just mint this for free, and then let's kind of, moon this. So he might, after minting the NFT for free, there might be an unexpected hype, or some kind of sort of thing, because NFT is all about hype. And then you see the project, mooning, like going all the way to the moon. So while it was something that was minted for free. Okay, so it doesn't mean that something being for free, is not quality. Okay, but most of them, are, of lower standards than those that actually require moon, but then they're also a great project. But then the point is actually to, introduce this thing to you to get started. Okay, especially those of you who are very low on cash, because this NFT game requires capital. So if you're low on capital, you can start minting for free, and then maybe you can start flipping when you have gathered enough cash. So you get this NFT, this free NFT, you mint this NFTs for free. You set them at a higher price, you set them at a price, even you set them at a price because obviously you got them for free. So anything on top of that is basically, so far as it covers your gas fee, which are basically fraction of pennies, then you are good to go. Okay, so it doesn't hurt you in any way. The blockchain is not like on Ethereum blockchain, whether if it's a free NFT, you have to pay a lot of money on gas fees. Here on Solana blockchain, is the gas fees are very, very cheap. So it's basically, in fact, you can guess that it's basically a zero, game. You can start with zero capital. Okay, so you only need, like, let's say $5 to $10, for gas fees, and that amount is going to last you for a very long time. Okay, a very, very long time, because Solana gas fees are very, very cheap, like fraction of a penny. So now I have all those explanations out there. I just wanted to make our time to explain all these things. So now let's say this is the free NFT. Let's say, after getting information, which I said I'm going to leave to at the end of this video. Let's say after getting the information, you get the link. We call this the minting link to an NFT. So this is the minting link to one NFT, Dodo there. You can see Dodo there. So let's say you're on the the minting page. This is what a minting page is going to look like. It's going to be a very basic landing page with just one this thing. This is what you're most concerned about. This place where it says mint. Okay, so it's going to, you're just going to look for this button that says anything mint. Okay, be aware that, by the way, this video is not financial advice in any way, and minting NFTs are kind of risky, because there are a lot of scam projects out there and a lot of rug pulls. Okay, so you can use a wallet that you don't have a lot of your cryptocurrencies in, and then you can use, we call it a bond wallet. Yes, just a wallet for minting. Just create a separate wallet for minting on your Phantom wallet. Very, very important. I told you guys how to set up a Phantom wallet. Go and watch the other video. So when you get to the landing page of your your mint, the minting page or whatever, so you go to mint and you click it. When you click it, now this NFT is already, I told you guys the minting was a few days back. So if you click this, it's not going to show anything. The minting is over, because this thing is basically hot cake, especially if it's a free NFT. Like in minutes, everything is gone. So you need to be there at the very right time. If they say we are going to mint this NFT by 4 o'clock, you need to be there like 3:50. You need to be there before then, so that once it's 4 o'clock on the door, once the countdown finishes, because when you come in here before time, it's going to be like a countdown or something. This button won't be available. So at that time, at desert time, this button will be available, and then you can mint it. Or even if it's available, you can't mint it until that time in most cases. So that's why, and they usually in minutes, in matter of minutes, depending on the demand for the NFT, in matter of most NFTs, in matter of minutes, is just over. So and you have missed it. So you can just take it as a rush hour, a rush sale, like that Black Friday sale where everybody's trying to get in and get things at awesome price. So if you're late to the party, then you miss it. So that's it. Now when you click it, it's going to show, it's a very basic thing, it's going to show this prompt from your Phantom wallet to approve the transaction. Now very important, you can see the network fee of Sun is very low. This is not for this transaction. I just put this up so that I can show you what this thing looks like. Now very important thing out there, guys. Here where you have estimated balance, where it's showing the cost of the NFT, it should be showing 0. Like I said, it's not for this reason. That's why I'm showing transaction may fail to confirm, but make sure it's 0. If I make sure it's not showing any amounts, because here's the thing, most, like I said, these NFTs, these minting stuff, a lot of there are some rug pulls and scams out there. Some might tell you it's a free NFT, but then when you want to mint it, it turns out that it's not free. Okay, so it turns out that you actually pay for it. So that means they have actually been deceiving you, using the free this thing to get people to hop in their bandwagon. So you don't want that. We're looking for free NFT. So you make sure that this thing is not showing any amount, is not charging you anything. The only thing that should be showing an amount here is the network fee, which is is you must, for you to do anything on a blockchain, you must pay network fee. And Solana zone is very small. You can see 0. The network fee for almost every transaction is 0.0000, like 4 zeros and then 1, and it's even less than, it's not less than amount, it's less than 0.0001 Solana. So I think even $10 worth of Solana will last you for, like, I don't know the amount of time, but I know it's going to last you for a very long time. Okay, so just have a little Solana on your wallet for gas fees. Besides that, I don't think you should have anything unless you actually want to mint the NFT for a price. Okay, so if you are looking for a free NFT, make sure that this thing, there's no amount showing here. Okay, it's basically 0, and the only thing you should be paying for is kind of the network fee, which is very small. So when you click approve, then basically it's going to mint and it's going to be in your wallet. Okay, so and you might be asking, how can I actually see it in my wallet? Okay, so all you just need to do is to let me log into my, so all you need to do is when you log into your this, you go to your collectibles tab, this tab that looks like a window icon. This is where it should reflect. Okay, but yours is meant to appear here if your if the mint was actually successful. Okay, so and that's it. Basically with that, you have your NFTs, and then from there you can actually go ahead and sell it. Okay, so I actually showed how to sell NFTs in the previous video, so make sure to go and watch the previous video to learn how to sell NFTs. Okay, so now to the fun part, where we actually I show you how to get the NFTs for free. I'll personally be giving updates on free NFTs and other NFTs, which I think are some projects, but most especially free NFTs. So I'll be giving updates on NFTs. I'll be buying free NFTs. In fact, updates on NFTs, really, when to sell, when to buy. Okay, and to get these updates, you need to be part of our Patreon. Yes, very important. You need to be a member. Okay, we actually have 2 plans: the supporter to support our channel, our content production, and then we'll have the member, the membership level, the member tab. So make sure you're a member. It's it's a little fee, £8 or about $10 per month. Very little fee. And then you can see you'll be getting our NFT buy and sell calls, both the free minting, the NFTs we are buying, when to buy, when to sell, and all that. You understand? Because it's not just about getting the NFT. Okay, let's say you mint the NFT, you also need to know when to sell it. Should you sell it that moment, or should you sell it in 24 hours, or should you sell it after a week or after a month? So that's why these updates are very important. If you have a source for getting these updates, fine. But if you actually want to be part of those, I'll be giving these updates on when to buy and sell and mint NFTs, especially for free, then make sure to be a part of our Patreon. It's a very little fee. Okay, so that's it, guys, and I'm going to see you there. Like I said, I'm going to be giving you updates on free NFTs. So it's going to be a very wonderful encounter. So that's it, guys. If you watch all the way to this end, welcome to the Watch the End Club. You guys actually, motivate me a lot to produce awesome content like this. I appreciate you guys a lot. I can never take it for granted. So I know you got a lot of value from this video. So make sure to smash, the subscribe button, enable notifications so I get alerted when we drop awesome content like this. And drop a like, because I know you got us some content, you got us some value from this video. Make sure to drop a like and also share this video with your friends too. Okay, so remember to subscribe to our Patreon, and also remember to get our ebook for free. Yes, I forgot to mention it at the beginning of this video. We are doing a giveaway of our ebooks, so make sure to send us your email so that we'll send you uh, this ebook for free. Okay, so the link to sign up is going to be down below. You just give us your email so that we'll send it directly to that email. Okay, we'll send this ebook for free. As you can see, it's $10 here, but if you actually sign up, we're going to give it to you for free, 100% for free. You're not going to pay a dime. So make sure to check this in. All the links are going to be down in the description. Everything, all the links, all the necessary links I've mentioned in this video are going to be down below. I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. Remember, stay safe. Peace.